Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al. I've got something pretty special in the vise. Well, I guess to me they're all special, man. So this one here, it's made by Fast Charlie, and looks like he's put quite a bit of work into this one. He calls this one, hopefully it's picking that up, Red Lebel and Company by Fast Charlie. And it's got a date down here of 1/19/18, so it's pretty darn new, pretty darn fresh. That's what it says on the back. I guess he used that tag to make his own tag. It's also got his Fast Charlie on the key. There's the bitting on the key. That's probably where my that's gonna test me. It is the Yale style keyway, it looks like. So let's see if we can't get into this bad boy right here. Let's see. Looks like that'll fit probably about the best. But yeah, I don't know, honestly, with that that bitting like that, it may be a little too tough for my experience level, but you know what, I'm sure gonna try it. Let's come in a little bit. Looks good right there. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can't do something with this. We'll start off up front here a little bit. Little sparrows. I call this one the nub. Actually, you know what? This one's the nub. It's barely got any rise to it at all. It's from the one of the Sparrows Monstrum XXL picks. Those are my go-to picks, man. Just I've been using these things. I mean, I think they're the best picks that I have, man. Durability wise and all that. Alright, let me see. One's bouncy. I've got two. Give me some, okay. Got a couple little baby clicks off of two. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, and we know from the looks of the key, there's a overset trap back there, so I'm gonna. Hopefully I can navigate that. I don't know yet. Let me see if I can get something excuse me, something deep enough in the back. I don't know. It's going to be hard to even find that pin without setting off what would it be, the number 4? It seems to be a 5-pinner if I'm right. I'm going to try to put it in there and just kind of rotate it, kind of like picking a dimple lock. If it'll let me. I'm not sure. Let's navigate. All right, 3. A couple good clicks on 3. I'm not sure. I think I'm oversetting something already. Alright, that felt good. I'm not sure. Feels like I can't move 1 and 2. Okay, let me try this gem. Maybe it's got a higher reach there. It's not really giving me any feedback. Huh. Yeah, it's definitely not telling me what to do. It's not releasing any of its secrets, I can tell you that much. Let's try one of these SS Dev hook in the back there, maybe. See if we can't get that 5th one. Yep, feels like I set it. I got a false set out of that. Feels like it's set, but we're not done yet. Oh, got a little bit more of a turn. Huh. Oh, there we go. We got her. We got her. Absolutely fantastic. Yep, so that SS Dev got that one that was hiding in the back there. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Okay, and there was major warnings on the package about using a shim, so I will heed that warning big time. Hopefully we can get it apart without a disaster on our hands. Let's try that. New pinning tray from Bobby Keys. Freaking fantastic. Okay, we've got Phillips screws on the back. You know what? We do have a key, so I can lock it back up. It's very much open. Fair enough. All right. Badass. Awesome. Okay, key. Shim. Follower. Okay, here we go. Hope this isn't a disaster. Alright. We've got a 6-pin. I thought it was a 5, honestly. Got me. We still got her though. Okay. Lay some pins out here. Beautiful. Oh yeah, some work went into this. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy. Okay, on the core we've got undercut in 1, threading in 4 and 6. Yeah, there's something on 3, but I can't tell what. Maybe not. Definitely undercut in 1, threading in 4 and 6 on the core. Alright, let's go up top. Get that shim out of there. Beautiful. Where we at? Right here. Okay. 1. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a masterpiece. It's like a reduced diameter T-pin combobulation. Yep. That's a beast of a lock right here. Alright, number 2. Another one. Like T-pin action right there, number 2. Very nice. Well made, man. This one looks like a, okay, maybe, oh, that's a 2-piece. Alright, we'll check that out. We'll get a close-up on that. Yep, we got a 2-piece in number 3. Four, trying to keep them upright. 4 serrated. 5. Another like serrated with sharp ends on it. Little spring. And number 6, last but not least. There it goes, popped up. Shoot. Okay, it's a standard, so that can go either way. Alright, and last spring. And the top. I don't think there's anything done in the Bible. I don't feel nothing. Fantastic. Okay, put this side up. Bring some light over this way. Take a close-up on these beautiful pins. Good golly, Miss Molly. That's a 1-piece, right? Yeah, that's a 1-piece. Okay, again, that was by Fast Charlie. It's called Red Devil and Company. Beautiful. Let's check out these pins. We've got a almost a spool-like top on key pin number 1. So I almost call that a, well, we'll just call it reduced right here, number 2. Standard number 3. 4 right here is almost spool-like with a sharp top on it, and then serrated right here. Keep moving away from the camera. And then I'd call that a spool with a sharp top hat on it right here, because that's spool-like for sure, or just a really deep, wide serration. And then we've got some serrations on the top of key pin number 6. Top pins, we've got a wildly serrated and almost spooled with a T-pin end on it in number 1. Number 2, I'd call that a serrated T-pin. 3 is that 2-piece. We've got a serrated sleeve that floats around on top of this piece. Freaking awesome. Well made too. 4, serrated. 5, I'd call that, again, like almost spool-like with a very, very sharp end on it right, whoops, sharp end on it right there. And then 6 is a standard. All the springs look like they vary a little bit. Yep, there's some steel ones, and that one looks like a copper one. Just fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Loved it. Fast Charlie, thank you so much. And actually, I think K1 Lock sent this to me, so thank you too. All right, Big Al signing off.